This is the X400. It's similar to the 1650 WH. I have the Syma Fly app. I'm reloading it. I'm going to go to where it's going to load up. It's installing. I'm going to go back into my settings. I'm going to hit the on button. It's rapidly flashing, as you can see. If your transmitter's in the on position, you're just going to be standing here and waiting. Shut your transmitter off. Shut down your drone. Turn it back on. You have the FPV Wi-Fi that came on as soon as I shut things down. Simply hit it. It opens up and connects. And now when you open up the Syma Fly app, it's going to ask you to use your location. You must say yes to it. Go to the drone, click on the drone. After you clear all this out, click on the drone, go to the X400 and just hit start. When you hit start, don't allow to connect to your network. You must hit allow. There we are. It should pop up with another thing here. Wants to use your data, and you're ready to go fly. I hope this helped you out. That's the way they simply hook up. Very simple indeed. I don't know what else to say.